Saturn is one of the most amazing planets in our solar system. It's the sixth planet from the Sun, so it's really far away and super cold. Saturn is what's called a gas giant, which means it's mostly made up of gases like hydrogen and helium, the same stuff that's in balloons. That means if you tried to stand on Saturn, you'd sink right through it because it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth does. It's also huge. More than 700 Earths could fit inside Saturn if you could somehow squish them in there. What makes Saturn extra special are its rings. These rings look like shiny, flat disks around the planet, but they're actually made of millions of tiny pieces of ice and rock. Some pieces are as small as a grain of sand, while others are as big as a house. These bits are held in place by Saturn's gravity and spin around it really fast, like a giant hula hoop in space. Saturn's rings are so wide that they would stretch almost all the way from Earth to the Moon. Saturn has lots of moons, at least 145 that we know of. Some of them are small and icy, while others, like Titan, are big and interesting. Titan is even bigger than Mercury, a planet closer to the Sun, and it has rivers and lakes of liquid methane, which is kind of like gasoline. Scientists think Titan might even have the right conditions for some kind of life. Saturn is a favorite planet for stargazers because it looks so magical through a telescope. Its rings make it stand out from all the other planets, and it's so beautiful that people have been studying it for hundreds of years. Even now, spaceships like Cassini have visited Saturn to learn more about its rings, moons, and mysteries. Isn't it cool how much we can learn about a planet that's so far away?